Hey guys, what's up? In this video we are going to see that how we can calculate the parameter of different shapes if certain lengths are given to us. Okay, in this we are not using a ruler or any tool to measure the length, but actually we will use the given lengths to calculate the parameter. So we know that what is parameter? Actually it is the measured length of all the boundaries of a shape. Clear? Of all the boundaries of a shape. So without any delay, let's get started. Here let's see our first part. In the part A, okay, we have to calculate the parameter. In the part A, this side is 2 centimeter and this side is 10 centimeter, and you can see here this is an angle of 90. Here and here also we have 90 degrees. So actually it is a rectangle. Okay, it is a rectangle, and we know that in rectangle opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Okay, so it means that here if this side is 2 centimeters, so this side, the upper side, will also be of 2 centimeter. Clear? And this side, if it is 10 centimeter, okay, this side, it means that the opposite side, this one, will also be equal to 10 centimeter. Clear? Alright, clear. And now if we add all the lengths, if we add this length, this length, this length and this length, it will be equal to the, actually it will be the boundary of this shape, which is the parameter. Okay, so we can add all the lengths, or we have a formula to calculate the parameter of a rectangle. Okay, the formula is 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Clear? Length plus breadth. Okay, this is the formula we have to calculate the parameter of a rectangle. And if we add these lengths, okay, we will get this formula. How? Look at this, that here let's say 10 centimeter is the length and 2 centimeter is the breadth. Clear? So if I add 10 centimeter and 10 centimeter and 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter, okay, it is the parameter. I said that here 10 centimeter is the length, so if I put here L, okay, which is the length instead of 10, and if I put here B instead of 2, which is the breadth here, clear, so it will be equal to L plus B plus B. So L plus L will be equal to 2L, 2 times length, plus B is equal to 2B. It means 2 times the breadth. And if we take this 2 as a common, so it will be equal to 2 multiplied by L plus B, okay, length plus breadth, which is equal to this formula, okay, which is the formula we have, 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, so we can add all the lengths, or we can use this formula to calculate it. So if we put the values in the formula, I said that here we have L is equal to 10 centimeter. So if I put here 10, and breadth, it is equal to 2 centimeter. So 10 plus 2 will be equal to 12, and 12 multiplied by 2 will be equal to 24, and it is in centimeters. Clear? It is in centimeters. Okay, centimeters. So actually the parameter of our first part is 24 centimeters. Clear? I hope you got it. Now if you move towards the next part, here we have a triangle. This side is given to us, which is 15 centimeter. This side is given to us, which is 10 centimeter, and this side it is given us, it is 1 meter. Okay, you can see here we have both lengths in centimeters, but here we have the length in meters. Okay, here we have centimeters, here we have meters. So actually we have to add all the lengths, but before adding all the lengths we have to check that whether the lengths are in same units or not. If they are same, we can just add all the lengths. But if the lengths are, or we can say the units are not same, we are going to put the units same. Okay, we are going to same the units, and then we can add the length. It means that here whether I have to make these centimeters as meter, or I can make this meter as a centimeter. Okay, so it is easy to make a meter in a centimeter. Okay, here we know that 1 meter, okay, is equal to 100 centimeter. Clear? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. This is the conversion rate, we can say. So I can put 100 centimeter instead of 1 meter. So if I put this, if I put there 100 centimeter instead of 1 meter, it is just like this. So the next step is very easy, that we have to add all the lengths, 15 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus 100 centimeter. Okay, so here I will get 100 plus 10, 110 and 125. Okay, here I will get 125. 125 what? You can see here we have all the lengths in centimeters, so here I will get 125 centimeters. Clear? You have to check that whether the units are same or not. Okay, and you have to write here the correct unit which you are using in the question. So we have 125 centimeters. Okay, so it's easy. Yeah, 125 centimeters. Now let's check our next part. Okay, in the next part we have this kind of shape. You can see it is L-like shape we have, and this length is 14 centimeters, this length is 12 centimeters, this length is 3 centimeters, and this length is also 3 centimeters. Okay, you can see that here 4 lengths are given to us. This one, this one, this one, and this one. 4 lengths are given to us, and if you are able to find these 2 lengths, so we can find the perimeter of this figure. How to find these 2 lengths? Okay, let's see. Here this length is given to us. It is of 14 centimeter. This length is given to us, which is 3 centimeter. You can see that here 4 lengths are given to us. This one, this one, this one, and this one. These 4 lengths are given to us, and if you are able to find these 2 lengths, we can find the perimeter of this figure. So let's see how to find these 2 lengths. Okay, first of all, you can see this length is given to us, which is 14 centimeter. This length is of 3 centimeter. Okay, this one. It is actually this one. It means that here, if I extend the above line like this one, okay, so actually this length is of 3 centimeters. Okay, this one. Okay, it means that here actually this length is actually of 3 centimeters. Clear? You can see this length is actually of 3 centimeters. Why? Because here we have a rectangle. You can see here you can see we have right angles, means 90 degrees we have in the corners, so it means that opposite sides are of equal length. Because here we have 3 centimeters, so here it will be also, okay, this length will also be of 3 centimeters. Okay, if this length is 3 centimeters and this whole length is 14 centimeters, okay, so it means that here if I want to find this length, okay, if I want to find this length, okay, this one from here to here, how can I find it? I can subtract this 3 centimeters from 14, so I will get this unknown length. Or I can say that if I add this length, which is 3 centimeters, and this length, which is unknown, so I will get the total length, which is 14 centimeters. So here we have 3 centimeters. Okay, this length is 3 centimeters, and this length, which is unknown, which we have to find. Let's say that this is x centimeters. Okay, this is x centimeters from here to there. Okay, so if I add these two lengths, I will get the total length from here to here, which is of 14 centimeters. Clear? And now if I want to find the value of x, I can subtract 3 from both sides. Okay, so it is just like this. Okay, here I have subtracted 3 on both sides. Here, sorry, subtracted 3 on both sides. So here I will get x on the left hand side, because this 3 is cancelled by this 3. Negative 3, positive 3 will be equal to 0. 0 plus x will be equal to x. And here 14 minus 3 will be equal to 11. Okay, 11 what? 11 centimeters. It means that here the unknown length, it means that from here to here, it means that this length is of 11 centimeters. It means that this length is also of 11 centimeters. Okay, why? Because this one is also a rectangle. Clear? I forgot to draw here these signs. Okay, these are actually 90 degrees right angles. It is a rectangle. So if this length is of 11 centimeters from here to here, so opposite side will also of 11 centimeters. Clear? So this one is 11 centimeters. Okay, now we will do the same procedure to find this length. Let's see. Here this length is of 12 centimeters. Okay, this length is of 3 centimeters. Okay, if I draw a line here just like this, if this one is of 3 centimeters, it means that here this length is also 3 centimeters. It means from here to here. You can see this length. Okay, this length is also of 3 centimeters. So I will do the same procedure. We have to find this length. Okay, actually we have to find this length. Clear? So to find this length, we can subtract this 3 from 12, or I can say if I add this unknown length, let be x. Okay, and if I add this length, this 3 centimeters, to this unknown length, I will get the total length, which is of 12 centimeters. Clear? If I add this one and this one, I will get the whole length, which is of 12 centimeters. So again, if I subtract 3 on both sides, here I will get 9. Here I will get x is equal to 9. It means that this one is of 9 centimeters. So this one is also of 9 centimeters, because here we have a rectangle also. Clear? So this one will also of 9 centimeters. Okay. Now here I have found all the lengths here. Now I can add all the lengths, so I will get the perimeter of this figure. Here if I add this length, if I add 12, and if I add 3, if I add 9, if I add this 11, okay, this one, this is the 9, this is the 11, this is the 3, and this one is the 14. Clear? Now if I add all these lengths of the boundaries, I can get the perimeter of it. Here 12 plus 3 plus 11 plus 3 plus 14, it will give me 43. 43 what? 43 centimeters, because you can see here we have the length in centimeters. Clear? So okay, so here we have solved this one. Okay, the perimeter of this figure is 43 centimeters by adding all the lengths of the boundaries. I hope it's clear. Now let's see our next part. Here you can see here we have some we can say irregular shape. Okay, you can see here we have 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, okay, and also 90 degrees here. Okay, and this one is of 12.5 centimeters. Clear? This one is of 12.5 centimeters. This one is of 11 centimeters. This one is of 4 centimeters, and this one is 5 centimeters. This one, okay, this one is 1 centimeter. This one is 2 centimeters. And unknown lengths, okay, are, first of all we have this length, okay, this length we have to find it, and this length we have to find it, so that we can find the perimeter. So let's see that here. Okay, first of all, which length we can find out. Okay, first of all, let's see this length. Okay, how to find this length. Okay, from here to here we have 11 centimeters. You can see that here we have 90 degrees. It means that here if we have 11 centimeters, so from here to here I also have 11 centimeters. It means that from this line to this line I have 11 centimeters. Okay, and okay, this one is of 2 centimeters, this one is of 4 centimeters. Okay, from here to here, okay, from here to here I have 11 centimeters. Okay, and this one, okay, from here to here we have 2 centimeters, and from here to here we have 4 centimeters. Okay, from here to here we have 2 centimeters, from here to here we have 4 centimeters. Okay, and the total is of 11 centimeters. And this one, actually this length, okay, this length we have to find out. Clear? This length we have to find out. Okay, so if I add this length, this two, this unknown length, let's say this is x, and this 4, okay, this 4, I will get this 4, okay, I will get here total 11 centimeters. Okay, you can see here I will get total 11 centimeters. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. I will get here x plus 6, and on the other side we have 11. So if I shift 6 on the other side, or I can say if I subtract 6 on both sides, I will get 5. Okay, I will get 5 what? 5 centimeters. It means that here this length, okay, this length, okay, this length is actually this length, it is of 5 centimeters. Okay, clear? So that's how we can find the unknown lengths. Okay, got it. Now we have to find this length. Clear? So to find this length, what we can do, okay, first of all let's see that here, okay, this length is known to us. Okay, first of all you can see this length is known to us, which is of 12.5 centimeters. Okay, and this length is also known to us, which is 5 centimeters from here to here. Okay, this length. It means that if I extend this line here, actually this length, because you can see it is a rectangle, so opposite sides are equal. So if this length is of 5 centimeters, it means that here this length from here to here, it is also of 5 centimeters. Clear? It is also of 5 centimeters, and the whole is of 12.5 centimeters. Clear? So to find this length, to find this length, okay, this length, what we can do to find this length? Okay, clear? So to find this length, what we can do now, if I add this 5, okay, if I add this 5 centimeters and this unknown length, let's say it be x, so I will get the total length, which is 12.5 centimeters. Clear? If I add 5, this 5, and if I add this unknown length, I will get the total length, which is 12.5 centimeters. Now if I subtract 5 centimeters from both sides here, I will get x is equal to 7.5 centimeter. It means that this one is the unknown length, which is x. So actually this one is of 7.5 centimeters. Clear? unknown length 7.5 centimeters. Okay, this one is known to us, and you can see this we have right angles. If this one, okay, this one is of 7.5 centimeters, so we can see that here actually this one also of 7.5 centimeters, because here we have actually if we consider only this one, okay, from here to here, let me draw a line here, extend a line here. Okay, so if I extend only if I see this only rectangle, okay, this one here, if I see only this rectangle you can see here, if this length is of 7.5 centimeters, so the opposite side will also be of 7.5 centimeters. So I can say from here to here we have 7.5 centimeters. Clear? Because you can see this one is of 7.5 centimeter, so this one is also of 7.5 centimeter. Clear? From here to here. Okay, now what about this length? Which length? What about this upper length? Okay, this one. Okay, this one is given to us. Okay, how? Because this one is of 1 centimeter. Okay, this length is of 1 centimeter, and you can see this is a small rectangle we have. So if this one is of 1 centimeter, so the opposite length will also be of 1 centimeter. Clear? So this one is given to us, which is of 1 centimeter. Let me write it. It is of 1 centimeter. Clear? Alright, so I think all the lengths we have got it. Here this one is let's combine it. Okay, here I can write only one length here, which is of 12.5 centimeters, which is already known to us. Okay, which is already known to us. Okay, this one is 12.5 centimeters. This one is of 11 centimeters. From here to here 7.5, and from here to here 1 centimeter. So total, okay, if I combine it, so total I will get 8.5 centimeter. Okay, 7.5 plus 1 centimeter, I will get 8.5 centimeter. Clear? So I can write only one length here, which is of 8.5 centimeter. Clear? So let me write it here. From here to here it is of 8.5 centimeters. From here to here, okay, this length is of 2 centimeters, this length is of 1 centimeters, this length, okay, this from here to here, this length is of 5 centimeters, and this length, okay, this one is of 5 centimeters. So we have found, and this one is of 4 centimeters. So we have found all the lengths here. So let's add all the lengths, so I will get the parameter of this. So start from this. Here we have 12.5 plus now 11 plus now this one. Here we have 8.5 plus now this one 2 plus now this one, because we have to add all the lengths of the boundaries. Okay, so we are adding the lengths of the boundaries. So now this one 5, and now this one 5, and now this one 4 centimeters. Clear? So we have added all the lengths of the boundaries, and now let's see what's the answer. Here we have 12.5 plus 11 plus 8.5 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5 plus 5, and finally plus 4 we have. So I will get here 49 what? 49 centimeters. Clear? So the answer of this one, okay, the parameter of this figure is 49 centimeters. Clear? So we have to add all the lengths of the boundaries. Okay, I hope you got this. We have 49 centimeters. Now let's see this final part. Okay, we have to add all the lengths of the boundaries. So first of all, you can see here we have a rectangle and there is a triangle attached to it. And you can see that this is an equilateral triangle. Why? Because you can see all the three sides are equal. Okay, this dash shows us that here all the sides are equal, or we can say here the sides are equal. Those sides are equal which have this dash type line. Okay, so this one is of 5 centimeter, so this one will also 5 centimeters. Okay, because opposite sides of a rectangle have same length. Clear? This one is of 5 centimeter and this one is of 5 centimeter also. Okay, and this one if it is 2, clear? So this length, okay, opposite sides is also of 2 centimeter. Okay, this one, and this is also one side of this triangle. Here you can see this one, first side, second side and third side of a triangle, and this is an equilateral triangle. It means that here all the sides of this triangle are equal. Okay, all the sides of this triangle are equal. It means that here if this one is of 2 centimeters, so this side will also 2 centimeters and this side will also of 2 centimeters. Clear? So here all the sides of a triangle is of 2 centimeters. Now we have found all the sides, all the lengths of the sides, and we can add the sides to get the parameter. Now let's start. Here we have these two. Okay, first of all you have to see that what is the boundary line. Okay, what are the lines we have on the boundary? This one. Okay, so let me write it. Okay, now this one is on the boundary. Clear? 5. Now you can see here this 2. Okay, this 2 is not on the boundary because here it is attached with the triangle. Okay, now it is our complete figure. Okay, now it is only one figure we have. Okay, it means that here after this 5 we have this 2. Okay, this one, this 2 as a boundary. Okay, now we have this boundary, okay, of the whole shape. Clear? So that's why we are not taking this 2, okay, this length, because it is attached with the triangle, and perimeter is equal to the length of the whole boundary. Okay, now this length is not in the boundary. Okay, because boundary is this one. Okay, outside the figure. Okay, this one is the boundary. So after 5 we have this 2, and then we have this 2, and then we have this 5. Okay, let me write it here. Here, okay, this 2, this 5, this 2, this 2, and this 5. Here, like this one. So we have just to add it. So 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2 plus 5. I will get total 11. Sorry, not 11. I will get here 16 centimeters. Clear? I will get 16 centimeters. So here is the perimeter of this figure. It is of 16 centimeters. Clear? You have to just add the length of the boundaries, not you have to add the length of, we can say, if we divide the figure into simple forms, and then we have to add the we can say boundaries of these simple shapes, so we are not going to get the correct answer. We have to take the shape, take the figure as a whole, and then we have to calculate the lengths. Okay, or we can say then we have to add the lengths of the boundaries. Clear? So I hope you are getting my point. So that's it for this video, calculation of perimeters.
Access the entire Mathematics Demystified course at learneasy.us.